Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and also forgive me for my voice. I am still under the weather. However, I am currently at my mom's house, and we do share the same love for purses. Her not so much, me a lot before, but not as much as anymore. So a lot of my bags that a lot of the bags that she has, I have given to her, and then she has recently purchased some other bags. So I figured this would be the best opportunity to film this video. Okay, so, oh my gosh. So this is, you guys know, this is the Gucci Marmont Matelasse, I don't even know how to pronounce this bag, Gucci Marmont bag. And it was all the rage, what, many years ago? Do people even talk about it now? But it really doesn't matter. It's whether you love the bag or not. You guys all knew that I had this bag when it first came out. Was it 5 years ago or something like that? And I had it in red, and I loved it because, you know, it's so versatile. I have a whole video of how, like, all the different ways you can wear it. And I ended up selling it because it was just too small. However, like, my mom bought this black one maybe 2 years ago or so, and it's so tiny and cute. I actually really like it in black. Kind of makes me miss it. However, I do bring up this bag because my title of my video is should we keep or return? And the reason I am proposing this question is because first, I mean, honestly, I do feel like I know the answer, but I actually don't know if we are allowed to. I'm going to tell you the story why. But also, I like to come here and chat with you guys because you guys are pretty much purse experts out there. And yeah, let me know what you think we should do. I'll share the story and then if we're even allowed to do it. But anyways, so this is the Gucci Marmont bag. I honestly don't follow this bag very much, so I don't even know what size this is. I am 5'2", and I've seen it in the store. I've never really held it, and I'm a little underwhelmed by it, to tell you the truth. But anyways, I think it's beautiful, but the quality just feels a little, I don't know. So my mom did buy this in France, to use as like you know, like a just throw around bag. And she bought it because I actually ended up giving her the Chanel Diana bag. Actually, should I go get it? Oh, so look. So she bought this when I gave her this beauty. Oh my gosh, she is so beautiful. She is so pretty. I gifted my mom this Chanel Diana bag. And she said she can't wear it because she thinks it's too fancy. Too expensive. She doesn't want to ruin it. So she downgraded. No, I'm just kidding. She went to this Gucci. No, I'm just kidding. She went to this bag. I mean, it really is a downgrade, but I can see her logic. Like, I definitely can see her logic as to why she kind of got this bag. I mean, kind of not on the same level, but honestly, like, I can see why she did. And so yeah, this is carefree and stuff like that. But I ended up giving her my Chanel Diana bag for her 70th birthday, and she's like, it's too delicate, it's too beautiful to wear. And so she's like, I just don't feel comfortable wearing it. So she wanted to find something that was like of same purpose and same size, but more affordable, and you don't have to worry about it. You can just wear it all the time. So she did end up buying this for her 70th birthday, this and something else. Oh, anyways, for her 70th birthday, and I didn't know about it. So I just got home and a few days ago, and she ended up showing me this bag. She's like, look at this bag I got. I was like, oh yeah, that's pretty, but you just, you know, you gotta be mindful that things are gonna fall off. And then I looked at the bag and I was like, but I was like, oh my gosh, like, the quality is not there. Like, I think, like, okay, honestly, I know, see all these dents right here? Dents. This is literally a brand new bag. Dents right here. And then dent right here. Dent right here. Okay, so I was rewatching the video, and I'm gonna pop right in. So pop back in. But I was rewatching the video and I actually saw even a little bit more damage. Look. Look, what is this? Not damage, but look, it's dented in. This is like no bueno. I gotta talk to my mom. She's currently in Hawaii right now. It's funny, we switched spots. So I'm here and then she's in Hawaii. I literally just came from Hawaii like 5 days ago. So my dad and her are there for business and pleasure. And then we're here for business, not so much pleasure. Anyways, look, oh my gosh, guys, I so need to talk to my mom. Look at that indentation. This is a month old. This is not okay. So what had happened obviously is that she flew from France to Texas and they packaged it, and it looks like they packaged it where the chains were laying on the bag. And so I guess during transport, this is what had happened. So it was probably in her luggage and then the chains like dent on it. So I think that she should go return it at the Gucci store here, and I was thinking that they probably just let her return it and then exchange it for another one. She did go in December, so it's currently February, so it's been a little over a month. But I'm thinking that because of it's so new and because like you could obviously see it's not from wear, it's because, well, they're gonna say maybe from storage, but honestly she's never worn it yet. And I mean, literally it's a month. So I'm assuming that they'll probably just let her like exchange it and get a new one. But my question for you guys is, and I could probably Google this, but it's fun to have conversations with you guys, is that should she go, is she allowed to return it? If she bought this in Germany, and I know they have like different pricing, will she be able to, she's not gonna return it, but exchange it is a better question, is a better answer, the better word, sorry. Will she be able to just exchange it for a new one because she bought it in France and then now she's in Texas? I don't know. I probably should just call the Gucci store and ask. But I thought this would be cool to kind of have, see if anybody had experience with this. And I just don't really feel like the quality's all that there. I don't know. The bag feels like, what are your guys' thoughts on this bag now? Is it still cool? I don't know. I don't think I honestly see people carrying it so much anymore. I don't really feel like it, people like, you know, there's YouTube videos on saying like, is this bag timeless and stuff? Timeless. I think I think it has like a classic silhouette, but honestly, is it timeless? I don't know. It doesn't seem like it because not many people carry it anymore, but all that matters is that you love it. But yeah, so that is it, guys. I just wanted to pop in real quick and give you guys a little eye candy, give you a little comparison, but I know there's a lot of videos on these, but I would just love to know what you guys think as far as should we return it? I mean, sorry, should we exchange it? And obviously not, well, I'm so disoriented. The question is not should we return it or exchange it. The question is, has anyone experienced this, and can you exchange the purse from Europe in the United States? Okay. All right. All right, guys, I'll let you go. Here's a little quick, here's a quick little like, oh, what happened to lighting? Anyways, here's a quick little like, me wearing it. I'm wearing pajama pants and they're red, so excuse that. But yeah, I'm 5'2". I think this is a great size on me. Ooh, it's actually quite comfortable. Okay, I can see like why people really like this bag a lot as far as like comfort goes. It falls in a pretty good spot right on my hip. Excuse the pajama pants. And whoever wears red pants, sorry, I'm borrowing these pants. I'm red pants. So yeah, and then you guys seen me wear this bag several times, but this one's a lot longer. Not a fan of how this falls, but again, it's so many different ways that you can wear it. Alrighty guys. Okay, so I was thinking guys about it, and I'm thinking someone might be like, well then maybe your mom should have checked the bag before she mailed it or shipped it off on the airplane. True, but still, should a bag dent that much after a month? I don't think so. So I don't know, hopefully I'll probably just give them a call within the next week or so, or just go and visit the store and we'll find out.